In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer funds from one to another BitGert account step by step. So the first step is to go to bitgert.exchange and you will gonna need to log in first. Then once you have logged in, goes to funds and click balances and then choose what token you're going to use to transfer. For example, I want to transfer BNB token, so I will just click withdrawal here. And you will gonna need a BNB withdrawal address from another account. For example, let's go to another account here. Go to funds, click deposits, and then choose BNB. And then click I understand, copy the address, and go to your account, then paste the address. And now you can type the amount of BNB token you want to transfer. And you should take note that the minimum withdrawal is 0.02 BNB. Now, I want to transfer the maximum amount, so I will just click here and then click submit. Type the Google authentication code. Then click submit. And you're gonna need to go to your Gmail account and confirm your withdrawal request. Click confirm withdraw here. And then you can see that the withdrawal is successful. So let's just wait for the another account to receive the BNB token. And as you can see, we have received 0.04 BNB token, and you can see here the status that it was confirmed. So let's go to our wallet here, click balances, and you can see here that we have now a total of 0.04 BNB token. And if you have any questions about how to transfer funds from one to another BitGert account, leave a comment below.